Finally, got the boat back from the upholstery shop. Mile High Campers coming back at you again with another video, and today we got the boat back from the upholstery shop. Now, if you're tuning in for the first time and you want to get caught up on what's been happening, basically my boat was attacked by a raccoon over the winter. You can check out that playlist. I'll put a link for it in the description below. By the time I got around to calling upholstery shops, all the big name shops in town were already booked out all summer. Pickings are kind of slim here in Denver when it comes to marine upholstery shops. Obviously, we wanted to get some boating in this summer, so that meant I was going to have to really start looking around to find a shop. While Googling around, I stumbled across a shop called RCAM. After several conversations with the owner of RCAM, I found out that not only did they do upholstery, but they also do canvas covers, which was huge because I needed both. And that meant it would be a one-stop shop. All their online pictures of their stuff looked pretty good, and his time frame was really good. He was going to be able to get the boat done by mid-July for our big summer camping trip. With that said, I decided to take the boat to RCAM. Now, just to recap real quick, all the things that they were going to have to do. They were going to have to recarpet all of the interior storage compartments. They were going to have to reupholster everything in the entire boat. We were going to need 2 snap-on covers, one for the bow, one for the cockpit, and then a full cover to go all the way from the bow over the swim deck. So let's see how it turned out. Well, you guys, I think it came out pretty good. I really like it. It came out better than I had imagined. The craftsmanship that RCAM did was very good. It is done very well. I was very impressed with the craftsmanship. I've been around a lot of like upholstery and custom shops. As some of you know, I used to be into the lowrider scene, and so I was around custom shops when I was younger, and I just couldn't be happier with the craftsmanship. Now, we discussed using very high quality materials going into this. Based on that, I'm assuming that this is going to last a while. Now, I can't speak for the longevity yet because we've only had it on the water half a summer, but it's holding up quite nicely. RCAM was really good to work with. They were the ones that kind of helped me pick out the vinyls. I wanted to change the color using the dark gray and the light gray and the white, but the owner of RCAM, he really knew what he was doing. He picked out the textures that came out really nice, because I was leaning toward like a carbon fiber at one point, but then he kind of roped me back in to a really nice, it's almost like a leather look, if you will. He was going for a really clean factory look, and I think it did that. My idea that I threw out at him was I wanted him to do some diamond stitch because I thought it might give that just a little bit of custom look, but yet still keep it clean, like that factory look that he was going for. And I think it did it. I really like it. I kind of think it updated it a little bit, but didn't get too crazy. So for me personally, I thought it came out really well. And if you're looking at getting upholstery done, those are the kind of things that you might want to think about when you're working with the upholsterer that's going to be redoing your boat, for example. And the covers came out great, guys. The snap-on covers, perfect. He even came up with a way of doing the cover a little differently than it was before, so that it didn't have a little gap there where the raccoon was actually able to sneak in on the original cover. So that hole that was there is no longer there. It's completely sealed, so hopefully that will eliminate anything from getting in there. So that was really cool. The full cover is awesome. It came with a ratchet strap on the side, which I hadn't seen before, so you can really kind of get it on and get it tightened down to the way you want it. So it was, I'll probably show some pictures of that later. Right now, before I put it away for the winter, I ended up having it shrink wrapped this time in the hopes that we could keep any kind of critter from getting into it, if you will. I might show that full cover and the ratchet strap part in the summer. If that's something you guys want to see, let me know, because I'll definitely show you that, because it's pretty cool. I had never seen that design before. With that said, I feel pretty good about RCAM. I think they are a great alternative to some of the other shops in town that are very well known. And if you're in the Denver area and you're looking for boat upholstery, you might want to check him out, because he might be able to get what you need done. If you want to see how that sea deck was installed, that was the one thing that I did myself, was install the sea deck, and I'll put a link for that video in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Be sure to check out all the links in the description, you guys, because I'll be sure to put all of RCAM's information in the description, along with links to our Etsy store where we sell a bunch of cool stickers and graphics. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you get notified when we upload new videos. Don't forget to hit the like button if this video was useful for you, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace!